In the previous classes, we have discussed about the examples on distance formula and section formula. Okay, let us continuation on that. First, you consider the example on distance formula. Show that L1, 2 is the circumference of the triangle whose vertices are, three vertices of a triangle are given. Okay, so here you have to show that this S is the circumference of the triangle ABC. Okay, the vertices of ABC are given, that is S is the circumference, so that is L1 comma 2, A, B and C vertices are given. Here also you have to apply the same distance formula. First consider SA, S coordinates are known and A coordinates are known. Same distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equals to root of, that is x2 minus x1, so that is 1 minus L1 whole square plus 2 minus 2 whole square equals to 2 minus 2, so it is 0. L1 minus 1, so that is 10 square, so that is 100, root of 100 is 10. Similarly, we have to consider the coordinates for SB and SC. Apply that same formula, so we will get SB as L1 minus 5. This S and B, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So L1 minus 5, so that is 6 square, that is 36, and 6 plus 3, so that is 8 square, so that is 64, so that is 64 plus 36, so that is root 100, so it is 10. Similarly, we will get SC as the same, by distance formula we will get it as 10. Okay, so here SA and SB and SC all are equal, so that is equals to 10. So it implies that S is the circumference of the triangle ABC. Okay, next consider the examples on midpoint formula. Okay, find the points which divides the line joining the points 8 comma 12 and 12 comma 8 into 4 equal parts. Here the coordinates of the point 8, 12 and B having the coordinates 12 comma 8 are given. So here we have to show that 4 equal parts of this line. Okay, by considering A and B, by applying the midpoint formula, we will get the Q coordinates. After that, we have to consider the coordinates of A and Q. We have to find the midpoint of P. Q and B as the coordinate endpoints, so we have to find the midpoint of R. Okay, so PQR divides AB into 4 equal parts. Then first we have to consider Q. Q is the midpoint of AB. By applying the midpoint formula, so that is x1 plus x2. x1 plus x2 means 8 plus 12 divided by 2. First coordinate. Next 12 plus 8 divided by 2, so that is y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So 12 plus 8, so that is 20 divided by 2, it is 10 comma 10. Okay, next consider P as the midpoint of AQ. Again apply that same formula, so that is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So here we get the Q coordinates as 10 comma 10. Okay, 10 comma 10 and 8 comma 12. So here we can easily find the midpoint of AQ, so that is P, that is 8 plus 10 divided by 2, 12 plus 10 divided by 2, so we will get 18 divided by 2, 22 divided by 2. So here we get the coordinates of P as 9 comma 11. Similarly, we have to consider, already we get the coordinates of Q as 10 comma 10 and already B coordinates are given. By using these two, we can easily find the coordinates of midpoint of QB, so that is R. R is the midpoint of QB. Apply that same formula, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So we get 22 divided by 2 comma 18 divided by 2, so that is L1 comma 9. Okay, therefore the points, already 2 points are given, so that is A and B are given. We have find the 3 points as 10 comma 10, 9 comma 11 and 1 comma 9. Okay, so divides the points divides the line into four equal parts, so that is AP, PQ, QR and RB. So this is one part, second, third and fourth. Okay, so therefore the points which divides the line joining the points, so these 2 points divides into four equal parts. So this is example on midpoint formula. Okay, next important example on section formula. Okay, already section formula internal and external examples are given. Okay, find the ratio in which the point -1 comma 4, so this is the coordinate of P, this point divides the line joining the points AB in the ratio r:1. So that is divides the line joining the points. A coordinates are given and B coordinates are given. Let AB divides the ratio r:1. So in order to find here, what we have to find, we have to find the, in generally we are considering the ratio as m:n. Here we have to find the ratio itself. Already 2 end points are given and the P point is also given, that is -1 4. This point divides the line joining the points in the ratio m:1. In order to find the ratio itself, we have to consider the ratio as r:1. Let AB divides the ratio, that is r:1. Section formula already given, it is P equals to m into x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n, m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. So here m x2, this is m x2 plus n x1. Okay, so that is r of 3 plus 1 of -7 divided by r plus 1. So this is x coordinate. Similarly y coordinate, r of 6 plus 1 of 1, so divided by r plus 1. So this is y coordinate, that is 3r minus 7 divided by r plus 1, 6r plus 1 divided by r plus 1. So by equating these x coordinates, 3r minus 7 divided by r plus 1 equals to -1, or either you may consider this or this. Okay, both we will get as a same answer. Either we have to compare x coordinates or y coordinates. Let us have comparison of x coordinate, that is -1 is equals to 3r minus 7 divided by r plus 1. By cross multiplying, that is 3r minus 7 is equals to minus of r minus 1. Take this r on one's LHS, this -7 as RHS. So it becomes 4r equals to 7 minus 1, so that is 6. Therefore r equals to 6 divided by 4, that is 3 by 2. R you will get as 3 by 2, means in the ratio. So already you are considering the ratio as r:1. R will get as 3 by 2, so that is 3 by 2 is to 1. Okay, therefore P divides AB internally in the ratio 3 by 2 is to 1. Okay, this is the answer. Either you may write it as by cross multiplying 3 into 2. So we will get 3 is to